Hello, welcome to my channel. Subscribe now and let's dive into this exciting design adventure together. Thank you.
A modern contemporary house with a wooden facade, set amidst a vibrant and lush garden filled with bright orange coreopsis flowers, sprinkled with purple and green foliage. The pathway features large, square concrete tiles leading towards the welcoming front door. To the sides, two distinct bronze sculptures, circular in shape, are strategically placed within the garden, adding an artistic touch. The scene is bathed in warm, natural sunlight, highlighting the sharp lines of the architecture and the vivid colors of the flowers. The atmosphere is serene and inviting, embodying an aesthetic that blends elements of modern landscaping with an organic, impressionistic feel. Modern architectural landscape featuring a minimalist house facade with large windows, contrasting black stone and natural wood elements. In the foreground, a meticulously arranged garden with a winding pathway made of smooth white pebbles, bordered by lush greenery and vibrant flower beds. Colorful foliage, including orange flowers and soft pink plants, complements a backdrop of tall trees under a bright blue sky. The scene captures a serene, harmonious balance between modern design and natural beauty, with warm sunlight illuminating the space. High-resolution, hyper-realistic style. A modern home with a blend of stone and wood exterior, featuring large windows and a spacious porch. The foreground showcases a beautifully landscaped area with a cascading water feature, flowing gently over smooth stones. Vibrant yellow flowers dot the landscape alongside lush green grasses and varied ornamental plants. The scene captures a serene outdoor setting under a partly cloudy sky, with soft blue tones and hints of green in the background. The aesthetic is hyper-realistic, emphasizing the intricate details of the plants and stones, while creating a tranquil, inviting atmosphere. Contemporary luxury home interior featuring a serene outdoor space. The scene is set in a tropical environment characterized by vibrant greenery and carefully arranged landscaping. Emphasize a hyper-realistic aesthetic, capturing intricate details of the architecture and nature. The structure showcases large glass doors that open to a wooden deck, blending indoor and outdoor living. Incorporates smooth wooden planks, sleek stone accents, and a tranquil water feature with cascading waterfalls and smooth black stones. The color palette should include rich brown tones of the wood, deep greens of the foliage, and soft blues of the sky, complemented by the shimmering surface of the water feature. Modern architectural home with a sleek, minimalist design, featuring a flat roof and large glass windows that reflect the clear blue sky. The pathway is lined with geometric stone slabs leading to the entrance, surrounded by lush greenery and various desert plants, including cacti and lavender. The landscaping is meticulously groomed with manicured hedges and decorative boulders. In the background, gentle mountains rise under a bright sun, creating a tranquil and serene atmosphere. Modern outdoor garden setting, hyperrealistic style, featuring a sleek pathway made of large stone slabs interspersed with lush green grass and ornamental grasses, surrounded by meticulously curated plants, contemporary architecture with large glass walls revealing a well-lit interior, warm wooden accents on the roof, vibrant green trees in the background casting gentle shadows, soft morning light enhancing the rich colors, a minimalist seating area visible with elegant furniture, tranquil atmosphere, focus on harmony between nature and modern design. A modern residential exterior showcasing a thoughtfully designed entrance. The scene features a sleek facade made of dark wood and stone accents, indicative of contemporary architecture. A set of inviting, well-lit steps leads to a glass front door, surrounded by lush greenery. Symmetrically arranged boxwood shrubs and small trees create a polished appearance, while soft garden lighting highlights the pathway leading up to the entrance. The lawn is meticulously manicured with vibrant green grass, contrasting with the elegant gray concrete stepping stones lining the walk. A beautifully landscaped garden path featuring smooth, round pebbles in various shades of gray and blue, interspersed with delicate tufts of golden grasses. Weathered driftwood sculptures serve as focal points, their intricate textures highlighted by the sunlight. The setting includes a modern home in the background, with an elegant wooden facade and expansive glass windows reflecting the lush green surroundings. Warm, natural lighting enhances the tranquil atmosphere, creating a harmonious blend of organic elements and contemporary design. A serene Japanese garden at sunset, featuring a tranquil pond surrounded by lush greenery. The scene includes smooth black stone pathways leading to the water, with large, dark rocks partially submerged in the pond, adorned with vibrant water lilies in shades of pink and white. Delicate cherry blossom trees with rich pink leaves contrast beautifully against the deep greens of meticulously manicured shrubs. Gentle cascading water flows over rocks, creating a soothing sound. Modern architectural scene featuring a sleek, contemporary house at Twilight. The exterior of the house showcases a bold, dark color palette with large windows that give a glimpse of a cozy interior. Soft, warm lighting emanates from the house, highlighting the entrance. A landscaped pathway leads up to the house, consisting of wide, concrete steps illuminated by subtle lighting along the edges. Surrounding the path are various plants and greenery, including low shrubs and ornamental grasses, creating a seamless blend of nature and design. A serene courtyard scene in a Mediterranean style, featuring a rustic pathway made of large, uneven stone slabs leading through lush greenery. The setting is enhanced by warm, natural light, creating a hyper-realistic aesthetic. An ancient olive tree stands prominently in the center, its gnarled trunk and sprawling branches adorned with small leaves. Terracotta pots dot the spaces between the stones, filled with vibrant succulents and fragrant herbs, adding pops of green and hints of yellow. The textured walls are a soft beige, contrasted by the rustic red terracotta roof tiles. Modern architectural entrance surrounded by lush tropical landscaping, showcasing a sleek and contemporary design. The scene is hyper-realistic with vibrant greens from large banana plants and smaller flora, set against a stylish wooden facade. The pathway is lined with smooth, wide pavers leading to a dark front door. Sunlight bathes the scene in warm tones, highlighting the textures of the wood and the glossy leaves.
Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel.